Alright riders, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you this, have you ever noticed your shoulders tensing up, your hands gripping the bars like a vice, and before you know it, the ride just isn't fun anymore? So today we're going to talk about one of the most important skills you can develop on two wheels, staying relaxed. Because more relaxed you are, the smoother, safer and more enjoyable your riding becomes. So let's dig into it, roll down this stretch of road. Okay, why does relaxation matter? Well, motorcycling is as much about mindset as it is about mechanics. If your body's tight, every bump feels bigger, especially with all the potholes around, and every corner feels sharper and the bike feels harder to control. But here's the truth, the bike actually handles better when you let it do its thing. Staying relaxed, let the suspension, tyres, geometry work as designed. You become part of the flow instead of actually fighting it. Now let's talk about grip on the bars. A common mistake I see, especially in new riders, is that death grip on the handlebars. If your knuckles are white, your input becomes jerky. Now the fix, light hands. Imagine you're holding baby birds, firm enough they don't fly away, but gentle enough that you don't crush them. Keep your arms bent, let the bars wiggle naturally, and trust the bike to stay upright. It's built for stability. Now, shoulders back and breathing. One of the best checks you can do while riding is to ask yourself, are my shoulders creeping up? If they are, take a deep breath and drop them back down. Same goes for your breathing. Nervous riders tend to hold their breath without realizing. Try exhaling slowly into corners, and it not just calms your nerves, but it helps smooth your inputs. Now, lower body and core. Now, relaxation doesn't mean floppy. It means using the right muscles. Keep your grip strong with your knees and core, so your hands can stay light. This is the way the bike feels stable beneath you, and your upper body doesn't have to do all the work. When you're riding through twisties, for instance, squeezing the tank gently with your knees gives you control while letting your arms stay loose. Now, of course, the all-important looking ahead. Where your eyes go, your body follows. If you're tense, chances are you're starting just a few feet in front of your tyre. Now, the fix is pick your head up and look further down the road. I catch myself doing this quite often, actually. This does two things. It gives you more time to react, and it naturally relaxes your inputs. Now, when your eyes are up, your whole body rides smoother, almost automatically. Now, talking about speed and pressure, this is another big factor in tension and speed, obviously. Sometimes riders feel pressured to go faster than they're comfortable with, especially in group rides. But here's the secret, ride your pace, not someone else's. If that means dropping back, do it. Just do it. Nothing builds confidence like staying within your comfort zone. And nothing ruins relaxation like trying to keep up when you're not ready. Now, of course, it's also important to handle nerves and mistakes. Even with experience, we all get moments of tension. Maybe a car pulls out, maybe a corner tightens up. The trick isn't to freeze. A quick reset works wonders. Breathe, loosen your grip, reset your vision. Now, treat mistakes as lessons, not failures. The calmer you stay in the moment, the faster your confidence bounces back. Now, of course, it's also important to build relaxation habits. Relaxation is really a habit that you can train. Start every ride with a quick check, hands light, shoulders down, knees gripping the tank, eyes up. Repeat it until it becomes second nature, and the more miles you put in, the more natural that calm feeling becomes. Over time, you'll find yourself staying relaxed, even in situations that once made you nervous. Alright, so what are my final thoughts? Here's the takeaway. A relaxed rider is a safe rider. And a safe rider is a confident rider. Keep your grip light, your breathing steady, your eyes up, and ride at your own pace. The bike will thank you for it, and you'll enjoy every mile a heck of a lot more. Now, if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, a follow and a subscribe for more ride-along training and real-world advice. And let me know in the comments what the one thing that makes you tense up most on the bike. Let's talk about it down there. And until next time, ride safe and stay relaxed. This is Angel Talk. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it is also about the journey. I'll see you in the next one.